it's for your worst. Still I'll be here at your worst. It's a blessing and a curse.
What's up, madlang people? Kuyaters. People. We're gonna run. Run, run, run. Tashi, run, run, run. Hi ka naman dyan. Yes. Hi guys, we're here sa Gcash. Run, let's go and grow. Ay, ano ba? Let's grow.
Kamusta kayong lahat? Nandito kami ngayon sa Gcash Eco Run! Ready, set, and grow!
Girl.
Yan lang. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Guys, may mali ako kinain kagabi.
May mali siyang kinain kagabi. Yan, nagka-allergic reaction siya.
Bloated. Alam mo, bloated.
Ano, tara? Gcash run. Ano, tara?
Ano? Tara!
Ano, tara?
Grabe naman ang energy.
Dog chewin na lang. Dog chewin pa lang.
A few moments later.
Ayoko na.
Kailangan ko mag-CR, hindi pa nagsimula.
Water in the front, but I can see somewhere in the middle of the path. It's not going real fast so that we stay safe. Kasi maraming mga bata, so i-alala lang muna sa putnak mo.
Alright, less than 30 seconds before we send you PR. Morning, morning, how
Pagka nahawakan ni ulan, nakaulas, sigurado mo natagi pa nahuli na mata ka na bisado ang galawan, ding hindi mo natapaw sa kakada palapag sa malawakang palapag. Aral bawat lapat.
Ako pa lang ba?
Oo, ikaw pa lang.
Thank you.
One, two, three, one more.
Sir, big number.
Ito na lang. Sige, one, two, three. One more.
Kung ikaw ata. Hirap pa kaya nga sa makas. Ang saya. I just wish I didn't have this mask, but I say next time I'm not gonna wear wired headphones. I was like running like Now let's find the girls. Where are they? You wanna know Jasmine's workout songs? Rodak Kilo is usually number one when I'm weight training or running. I just feel like I'm that bitch to me.
Hi, 1930.
Hello.
Medal.
Gusto ko kumain.
Shoot ka muna ng may medal.
Ako din, wala akong picture ng may medal ng itsura ko. Ako din. Hi guys, wala tapos namin ng 3K. Tignan niyo yung medal guys. Naiikot siya. Parang ganun siya. Parang nahihilo ako. Charot.
Nasa
We made it. Papapalaban talaga, pati sa takbuhan. Hi ate! Hello!
Hero VO doon. 5K ka?
3 kami tatlo. Yes. Nilaban ni ate ang 10K. Yes. Like, she's a winner.
First run ever.
Papapalaban. Ang papapalaban. Yes.
Mga manika nag-run today.
Hello. I wanna tie my hair. Sir. Sana sulitin sila para. You know, my biggest regret in life is when I moved. When I was young, I joined events and everything so that I would have trophies and medals. And then when I moved to the Philippines, syempre I couldn't bring everything. And I was thinking eventually when I go to Australia, I'm gonna get it again. But then when my dad and brother moved out, they threw all of it.
Hi! 5 kilometers.
Period, queen.
Bye-bye.
Bye. So I need to start my collection again with the Gcash medals. Anyways, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm delirious.
Nahilo talaga ako, men. Saan na sila, Miss Ina? Ayun, orange hair. Mga spot mo agad si Alvea.
Naka-ready na yung KD ko.
Goda pa! Goda Patch. I wanna change, man. Thank you so much, Gcash, for having us. It's been so much fun. Na-enjoy ko to. Balik alindog ang atake. Wala nga akong prep eh. Di ako tumatakbo na eh. Pero ganun talaga. So guys, ang daming bullets out there. Try nyo din mag-run at minsan makaka-enjoy. Nakaka-fulfill. There's a fulfilling. How's the run? I saw you. I took a video of you.
No, there were times. What I would do is I would sprint for my life for 20 seconds, then walk. Then message you guys. Sprint for my life for 20 seconds.
I was calling out for you. I was like, Jad! And then naka-earphones na for sure. Ito. Siya, guys.
It's so funny. Sabi ko,
Parang ayaw niya na maglakad-lakad. Lakad-lakad na lang siya talaga. So,
you don't even have a video of me sprinting for my life for 20 seconds? My God.
no girl. I guess
Ayun, I look like I'm sprinting the whole 3K.
ako nga, feeling ko haba-haba ng legs ko tapos pero feeling ko ang bagal ko tignan. I swear. It's the funniest shit ever, guys.
I was like looking for seats for like someone, so that when I see them, we're gonna sprint for my life.
Alam mo, na nakakatawa.
Okay. Like that, you know what happened? I got a stitch. I was like, push. Oh, sige, do I push through this or not?
Ay, sobrang hilo ko talaga. Nakita ko siya. Sino? Si Jasmine. Ay, inabutan
Tingnan mo yung shoulders ko.
Hi, Bo! Hello, Bo! Let's go!
I saw Althea one time. Huh? Near the We're so delirious.
Masyado maaga. It's so early. Nakakatawa kasi diba sa 3K, yung pagpaganon, kala mo
Kasama
patapos
to
na
sa
pabalik. Pero mo palang ganon.
Kasama ba to sa 3K?
Yung paikot na ganon, gaganon pa.
Kasama
Kasi
ba to?
alam ko maikli pa lang yun.
Tapos na ba? Kasama to?
Tapos na. Lahat pa alis.
Kasama din to, te. Isasama ko na rin to.
I was like, not my congestion sa dulo.
Ito ang tawag na cool down. Ito ang cool down.
Ano yung meron?
Banana na.
Banana.
Banana
Oh my
peel,
God.
ma'am.
Gusto ko ng banana.
Sniper, no sniping.
Ay,
Take it away.
ay sige po. I was listening to you. Ay, ganon! Laban! Lahat ng songs niya is
What were you
on the
listening
playlist.
to?
Yes!
What were you listening to?
Papapalabas! Yes! Ganon! Atake!
Kaya we finished.
Kaya nga laban talaga. Talaga. Kaya nakatapos. Yes! Period! Thank you po. Period! Thank you so much. Okay lang nasabi ka sa vlog? Oh, super okay. Thank you. Sana na-video ko yung moment na yun. Nandito yon. Sige, lalaban. Lumaban siya talaga. Isa siyang Filipina queen. Thank you! Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Looking forward ako sa concert. Yes, see you there! Makikita natin siya sa concert, guys. As a guest. Yes, as a guest. Ito na. Ito na ang finish line. Sobrang haba ng vlog na to. Puro mukha ko lang. Ayan ang taya.
Banana. Second, roasted yung banana.
Salamat.
I accidentally slapped someone's butt. I apologize to whoever that was. I accidentally.
Asa yung saging? Ang dami kong na... Hi po! Saging! Ate, alam niyo po ba kung nasan yung saging? Saging.
Ah, nasa bag!
Guys,
Nasa bag? Ala!
AJ, Alfie.
May bag sa finish line. Ay, may finish line sa bag. Ay!
Ay. Woo! Let's go, Gigan! Let's go, Gigan! It's time to shake things up.
Let's go, Gcash! Time to shake things up. Woo!
Tapos na yun yung birthday.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Minajijiro.
Meron na yung banana. Yung bag. Ito.
Okay, may saging daw sa bag.
Saging, mangga, papaya. Hello po, dito po yung saging. Ito na yung saging.
Let's go! Kaya hihilig talaga kami. Bilang pinakamabilis sa tatlo.
Thank you. Pagpapagabag. Ay! Ano yun? Hindi ko na alam. Gusto ko nang kumain ng saging. Kaso nga lang di natin nakuha kanina tayo. Hindi nagwagi. Mamaya makikita niyo may 1 kilo saging na ako. Dito. Kasi mas straight. Mas madali. First time kong tumakbo sa kalsada nito. So, nanibago ako. Pero, nakaka-fulfill. Ang marami kanina.
Paano pag ano? Paano pag yung run kanina, nag-Brazilian dance ka?
Ano yata tayo eh. The one who takes you home. Kasi isang araw, kain.
Talaga sa mo talaga.
Kading. Andito tayo sa takbo.
Anong schedule mo for laps?
Kain?
Hi, madam! Ang taray mo naman. I love this photo. They look ripped as Ay, ripped. Ripped. 1, 2, 3.
Congrats po! Ano po kami, 20K? 22K. 22K.
Oh, guys, ano feeling ang daming bullets?
Ang daming bullets na alindog talaga.
Grabe kasaya! Sa Gcash!
One action.
Ready, aim, shoot! We are
Ano yung kaya yung day meron doon? Nagpapasok.
Nagawa na natin!
Grabe yun!
Grabe, thank you, Gcash!
Next time gusto namin higher naman yung
Ay, 22K!
Marathon! Why not?
Triathlon!
Marathon.
Ano, 5K muna, tapos 10K, tapos work our way up naman, be. Tapos run. Work our way up naman, be.
Sikat muna!
Pero maraming salamat, Gcash. Wallet, we love you so much.
Yes.
At yung mga tao na meet namin dito, ang saya nyo. My God!
So much.
Such a wonderful morning. Mwah!
See you sa concert!